Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vinegar coleslaw easy method. Thinly slice cabbage and shred carrots, then toss with salt and let sit to draw out water. Press or drain the vegetables firmly before combining them with a simple dressing of vinegar, oil, sugar, and mustard. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Chill briefly to meld flavors and serve crisp for best texture and brightness. Start by choosing the right tools: a sharp knife or mandolin, a sturdy bowl, and something to press the veg. Trim and quarter the cabbage, remove the core, and slice thinly for ideal bite and mouthfeel. Shred carrots coarsely to balance texture. Sprinkle salt evenly, toss, and let sit while you whisk the dressing. Press the vegetables to remove excess liquid and then combine for a lively, crunchy slaw. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice. It's a little treat that keeps trips fresh after hauling groceries or picnic gear. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make a simple dressing by whisking vinegar, oil, sugar, and a touch of mustard until smooth and mildly thickened. Start with modest sugar, then taste and increase if you prefer sweeter slaw. Add salt and pepper in small increments and toss a little to test flavor against the vegetables. Let the slaw rest briefly so the dressing can marry with the cabbage, then adjust final seasoning before serving for perfect tang and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.